Our friends can become ill from a variety of common dogs and ailments and disorders. Preventing common diseases and health problems in your dog can be achieved by maintaining good health. This includes regular veterinary examinations, which can assist you in identifying health issues before they become out of hand. These are a few of the most prevalent illnesses and ailments that affect dogs that pet owners should be aware of. Skin issues. Many dogs suffer from a variety of skin conditions. Itching and scratching are common indications of skin problem in dogs. The skin may appear red, inflamed, flaky, scaly, or otherwise abnormal. Dogs may also lose hair in certain areas of their bodies. Skin conditions can be caused by allergies, parasites, and infections. If your dog is always chewing on his nails or scratches excessively, or if the skin appears abnormal, take him to the vet before he becomes truly miserable. Ear infections. Dogs who have ear infections often shake their heads and scratch their ears because of an overabundance of germs or yeast. Ear discharge or debris is common, and the ears may smell terrible. Ear infections can cause pain or even itching. They have the potential to do significant harm if ignored. See your veterinarian if your dog has been displaying symptoms of an ear infection for longer than a couple of days. Skin problems can sometimes coexist with the ear infections. They might also be connected to allergies. Kennel cough. A frequent upper respiratory infection brought on by infectious germs or viruses is known as kennel cough or infectious trachea bronchitis. As the name suggests, it frequently spreads through animal shelters, dog kennels, and other locations where a large number of dogs congregate. A loud honking cough is the result of irritation in the trachea caused by kennel cough. One prevalent bacterial cause of kennel cough is Brutella, which can stop from spreading by vaccination. Urinary tract infections. Dogs frequently get infections of the urinary tract. Lethargy, increased thirst, frequent urination, inappropriate urination, and the bloody urine are all indicators of a urinary tract infection. Diabetes and renal diseases are two more illnesses that may be linked to these symptoms. Take your dog to the vet if you observe any unusual urinating habits so they may examine the urine. Parvo. Canine parvovirus is a highly contagious disease that primarily affects pups. Although adult dogs who have not received their vaccinations are also susceptible, particularly if they have weakened immune systems. Severe diarrhea, vomiting, and lethargy are caused by the virus, which triggers the bone marrow and intestines, rapidly dividing cells. Parvo is typically fatal if left untreated, and some puppies may not survive even the vigorous therapy. Parasites. Your dog lives in a world where parasites are common. They could be internal parasites like intestinal worms or heartworms, or exterior parasites like fleas and ticks. Luckily, there are measures to stop parasites from biting your dog. They usually include monthly prophylactic treatments. Learn about dog parasites so that you can keep your dog safe. Rabies. The virus that causes rabies is spread via the saliva of an infected creature, usually by bites or scratches. Dogs cannot be treated for the neurological malfunction that results in death. While rabies incidents may not come to light very often, there is still a genuine risk to both humans and dogs. Thankfully, dogs can be protected against rabies by receiving a vaccination every 1 to 3 years, depending on the vaccine. To protect the public, the majority of states mandate rabies vaccinations. I appreciate you taking the time to watch. If you enjoyed the video, please tell your friends about it. And if you haven't already, subscribe to our channel. Please fill us out if you would want to be informed when we publish new content. After subscribing, new users should click the bell icon. Please make sure that all of the alerts are turned on if you are already a subscriber.